don't know if you got me on that, but apparently.
I've done it.
They're pushing down here now. They're at the broken door.
I like. Well, if you keep in here and following them out, there's no point two people hanging around like you.
Oi. That's our mate. Yeah, he's round the back.
You're sitting in the corner, you're not getting him.
Sorry?
You're sitting in the corner, you're not getting him.
Am I?
Yeah. The angle is too shallow.
Right.
So I need to go. I've got a shooter on the left, in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one.
He's not that, he's not even looking, is he? That guy with the dual, whatever it is.
Blueprint.
Did I get one?
I don't know. Sounded like it, man. Oh,
Guy just behind the crates in front of me, Chris.
Yeah, I see him now. So in that barricade there, can you see my laser? There.
I've never guessed he's behind the white wall. Come on.
There's a guy there.
the shooter? Second door down from you.
Watch out.
Not this one. Two after.
Na to jest...
Hit. Fuck off.